Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no buy button on Vinted in 2026. Now, the most common reason is simple. The item is already sold or reserved. The buy button disappears. So you need to look carefully at the listings. So here I'm currently on vinted.com, and as you can see, for this particular listing, the buy now button or the buy button is available. Instead of the buy button, if you see the reserved or the sold item, the purchase option is automatically disabled. In this case, there is nothing you can do. So the buy button only appears when the proper shipping options are active. So the sellers disable certain shipping methods. If your location is not supported by the seller's shipping setup, Vinted hides the buy button. So this happens very often in it. Now, sometimes Vinted may restrict buying if your account has some issues, like if you have any verification pending, or due to the payment method problems, or account related warnings, or region restrictions on your account. So the incomplete accounts frequently lose the purchase features. So make sure that you verify your status before looking for that buy option. Now you can also just try fixing the Vinted application, because sometimes the temporary platform glitches are extremely common. So you can try reopening the Vinted application, or if you use Vinted app, you can just try looking at it on vinted.com. So you can look for the same listing here on vinted.com and see if the buy option is now showing here or not. Now, if no payment method is linked to your account, your purchases may be blocked. So make sure that you click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner. After that, go to the settings of your device. In the settings, go to the payments option and make sure that you add the payment method. Confirm your card or the payment system and make sure that these are active before making any purchases. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.